Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, I'm going to show you how you can sum only positive numbers for your formulas on Google Sheets really quickly. So let us get started. Now you don't need any technical skills for that or to be a mathematician. It is very simple, guys. Let's say you have a table like this here with a formula here to the right or some positive numbers, but we have also, as you can see, that column features also negative numbers with a minus like this here, like that cell or that one. And now we would like to sum the total here at the bottom without these minus or negative numbers, only the positive ones. All you need to do, guys, is simply left click on the cell where you'd like to add the sum to, like here in this case here, and type in equal, just like that. And after that, you will see a suggested formula like this here. So you may simply click on tab or simply click on that icon here or on that suggestion. And after that, Google Sheets will automatically sum all of these positive numbers without including the negative numbers. And that's basically it. You can try it for yourselves, guys, and use a calculator for that. It is 122 without these negative numbers. So that's how it works in practice. I hope you enjoyed this video, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.